Hi everyone, greetings of the days. This time I have made video tutorials on how to devise a recovery schedule. In construction projects, it is no longer a common secret if at any time the company experiences delays in progress. And this has many possible causes. For example, delay in the supply of direct material by clients, weather factors due to rains and others. There are changes in the scope of work, change in the construction drawing because it is not the same as the actual condition of the work on site, so that modification needs to be made due to post measures such as natural disasters, floods, landslides, fire, earthquakes, storms, tsunamis, and others. All of these reasons can be the causes of delays in the completion of construction work. We don't expect that our construction work will experience delays in completion. But if that happens and we apply for a recovery schedule or reschedulings, then we need to be administratively orderly by preparing or supporting documents to complete our recovery schedule application to the client, and the submission of our recovery schedule to the client has gone through internal coordination in the company with all related parties. And later, if our application for recovery schedule is approved by the client, then all related parties must have a commitment to complete the remaining construction work portion with all equipment, tools, material, and manpower supports. In connection with narrative about this time, I will discuss about how to devise a recovery schedule. The sample recovery schedule as seen on the screen here is a 5-line installation work for a schedule of 4 months or 17 weeks starting from first week for the period 5 till 10 until 17th week for the period 24 till 30. Okay. The first, as seen on the screen here, work progress and S-curve as contract or the original work progress and S-curve. The second is progress that was achieved till week 8 for the period 23 to 29, and the third is table target. Table target is the target progress or target week progress upon remaining week or remaining progress, and the last one is recovery schedule. Okay, let's go back to the original schedule and S-curve. Here we have compiled a 5-line installation work schedule and S-curve for a duration of 4 months or 17 weeks as mentioned above. We could check here, this is starting from first week and first month until 17th week and 4th month. I don't want to explain how to devise this work schedule and S-curve for 5-line sequential works schedule, and how to set the weight factor obtained from weight factor as per contract and weight factor as per duration of the works, because I have explained it in my previous video with the link as described in the description. You could check it later. Okay, let me check here. Actually, work delay have occurred in the first week of the schedule for the period 5 till 10. Yes, 5 till 10. But this has only been calculated accumulatively for the third week for the period uh, 18 till 24, yes, and for the period 18 for 24, with actual progress of only 1.31%, with the same accumulative 1.31%, yes, okay, okay, and now the state of delays, yes, the state of delays continues until the 8 weeks or for the period, yes, for the period to 23 till 29 in the blue color sections here, yes, okay, okay. For the planned progress, for the planned weekly progress, 8.73 8.73% with an accumulative of 42.25%, yes, until this week period. There has been an accumulative delay of progress 50% or actual progress of 21.15% of the planned progress of 42.25%. At the blue color, as shown in the section, is the initial part that we start to propose as a recovery schedule, which is when the actual accumulative progress achieved is 21.15%. In this section, all cells have been equipped with formulas inside, and yes, like as you seen here, yes, and you can trace them by following the instruction in each cell. Then next, we compile a target table for the rest of the works against the actual progress that has been achieved or approved. Okay. In this section, we make a comparison between the quantity according to the contract or original with the progress that has been achieved or approved. Yes, with the progress that has been achieved or approved, and the remaining status in the 8 weeks. Yes, and the remaining status in the week each, or the period of week 23 to 29, as I explained before, and the weight percentage of the original or according to contract. Okay, this percentage of remaining progress is obtained, yes, by dividing, yeah, the remaining progress percentage, yes, is obtained by dividing the progress that has been achieved or approved by the quantity according to the contract multiplied with the weight according to the contract. Here, progress achieved dividing by a quantity as per contract, and then multiply by the weight factor as contract. So the result is remaining progress percentage as stated here, and the progress is obtained is 2.59%. Okay, 2.59%. Then we divide this percent by setting a progress target. Yes, setting a progress target every week. Yes, every week. Okay, every week. Okay, according to the schedule that has been set. Yes, according to the schedule that has been set. About how to divide the weight by the schedule, start and finish. I have explained in the video how to create work schedule and S-curve for sequential pipeline works with the link as mentioned in the description. You could check it later. To explain the numbers in the target table here, yes, to explain the number in target table here, I only explain in the material transportation work section to represent other sections that have the same calculation. Okay, here the number 1.0%, yes, is obtained from remaining week divided by the number of days on the schedule. Yes, for example, in this target table, the target length is 3 weeks. Yes, 3 weeks. Yes, you can check here, 3 weeks. Yes, 1 week, 2 week, and 3 weeks, starting from week 9, week 10, and week 11, means 3 weeks, or identical to 21 days. Yes, 21 days for 3 weeks. Yes, but only calculate for 70 days only, excluding Sunday and holiday and so on. Okay, we could check here. Okay, okay, the number 5115 is obtained from the calculation of the percentage on the target table divided by the total remaining week multiplied by the remaining progress on the remaining status at week 8, or the period from week 23, yes, week 23 till 29, yes, okay, and so on. Okay, you just double click here and you follow the instruction in itself. Okay, okay, then cumulative week number here 2.53, yes, 2.53% are obtained from the total remaining week plus the total target week in the target table and so on. Okay, just double click here. Yes, is this any J19 here, J19 here, sorry, J19 here, yes, J19 here, and plus with L17 here, yes, okay. And furthermore, the figure or the number 8,890 is obtained from the percent of the target which the target table multiplied by the total quantity according to the contract and so on. You just double click here. Okay, this is L17 here. This is a week target in the target table divided by E17 here. Yes, that is week factor as contract, and then multiply by F17. This is total quantity as per contract. Okay, and the same calculation applies to other section of this target table. Yes, okay, the same calculation applies to other part or other section of the target table. Next, we go to its recovery schedule. On the left side, yes, on the left side here, sorry, up to the yellow section here, yes, up to the yellow section here, it automatically uses the formula according to the original work schedule and S-curve. Okay, but on the right, after the yellow section here, right after the yellow section here, okay, it is filled automatically according to the table target that we have devised in the section or in the previous worksheet. Okay, this is okay. You could check in itself. This is already equipped with formula inside the cell. All the below section, yes, the below section, you can see the ping number with the ping number or number with pink color, yes, number with pink color, which is the weekly accumulative recovery schedule or recovery plans. Yes, here a recovery progress plan has been made up to 100% progress, and the S-curve can be seen in the pink part, yes, and the S-curve can be seen in the pink part here, yes, pink part here, yes, which show the recovery progress plan, while the green S-curve, yes, here, the green S-curve show the original work schedule and S-curve, okay, schedule and S-curve. Then the blue one, yes, the blue one here, yes, the blue one here, the blue one, yes, is the actual progress that has been achieved, yes, has been achieved and approved. And this is the final appearance. This is the final appearance of the work schedule and S-curve after there is a recovery progress plan. That's my explanation on how to devise a recovery progress plan. I hope it can be understood, and I hope this is useful, especially for those who are related to this field or who want to explore this field. Sorry, this time I only share this video only for members who have or want to join my YouTube channel official, Imran Amami channel. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.